Hi, good morning students. In the last class we discussed about plants and the different parts of plants. A plant has two main parts. Which are the main parts of two main parts of plant? Is shoot and root. The part of a plant which grows above the soil is called shoot, and the part of a plant that grows underground is called root. And also we studied about shoot, which is the main part of shoot. Stem is the main part of a shoot, and the stem has many functions. The first function is it provides support to the plant. Functions of stems are it provides support to the plants, and it carries water and minerals from the roots to the different parts of the plant, and it also carries food prepared in the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Okay. So stem is the main part of a shoot. And also we studied our trunk. The stems are of different types. The hard and strong stem is called a trunk. And also we studied about leaves. Leaves are many parts. The broad and flat part of a leaf is called a leaf blade. The flat portion of a leaf is called a leaf blade. And the many tube-like structures seen in the leaf blade, which are called veins. And the leaves are green in color due to a pigment or substance called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll gives green colors to the leaves. Okay. So in today we are going to study about functions of leaves. Leaves have many functions. We study about functions of leaves. The first and main function of a leaf is preparation of food. The leaves of a plant prepare food. The leaves of a plant prepare food. So the first function of leaves is preparation of food. The leaves prepare food through a process called photosynthesis. And so the next function is preparation of food. Preparation of food for the plants. The leaves make food for the plants through a process called photosynthesis. And the leaves are called food factory of plants. The leaves are called food factory of plants or the kitchen of plants, because the leaves prepare food for the plant. So the leaves are called food factory of plants. Okay. Why the leaves are called food factory of plants? Yes, the leaves are called food factory of plants because the leaves prepare the food for the plants through the process called photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? The process of making food by plants are called photosynthesis. The leaves prepare food for the plants by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Leaves prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide. The raw materials required for photosynthesis are water and carbon dioxide. In the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a process which making of food by plants. Simply, the process of preparing food by plants by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. The process of making food by plants by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. And the first function of leaves is preparation of food. And the leaves are called food factory or kitchen of the plant. And the next one is the leaves helps in the or produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Plants produce and give out oxygen. 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 So these are the two main functions. First one is preparation of food and the second one is produce and give out oxygen. And the leaves need carbon dioxide for preparation of food. Leaves need carbon dioxide for preparation of food. And the leaves give out oxygen through at the end of photosynthesis. And the leaves need carbon photosynthesis. Which gases need leaves during the process of photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. The gas carbon dioxide is needed for leaves through for the process of photosynthesis. And the leaves take in carbon dioxide through stomata. We already know that what do you mean by stomata? Stomata is the tiny pores or openings present on the lower side of the leaf is called stomata. The tiny pores or openings present on the lower side of the leaf is called stomata. And the stomata helps in the exchange of gases. Stomata helps in the exchange of gases. That means stomata take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Stomata take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and give out oxygen at the end of photosynthesis. Okay, so these are the functions of leaves: preparation of food and produce and give out oxygen. And the third one is storage of food. And the leaves are leaves store extra food in them. Storage of food. Storage of extra food. Storage of extra food. These are the main functions of a leaf: preparation of food, produce and give out oxygen, and storage of extra food. And the leaves of plants like cabbage, spinach, etc. store extra food in their leaves. We eat the leaves of these plants like cabbage and lettuce and spinach. Spinach means chira. So these are the functions of leaves. Once again, preparation of food. The leaves prepare food through a process called photosynthesis. The raw materials required for photosynthesis are water and carbon dioxide. Okay. And the photosynthesis means leaves prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. And during photosynthesis, the stomata helps in the exchange of gases, and the plants need carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, and the stomata take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And the second one is produce and give out oxygen. The plants or the leaves of the plants give out oxygen at the end of photosynthesis at the atmosphere, and the human beings and animals use this oxygen for breathing. Okay, the plants produce and give out oxygen at the end of photosynthesis, and this oxygen is used by human beings and animals for breathing. And the next one is storage of extra food. The leaves of some plants like cabbage and spinach store extra food in them. The examples are cabbage and spinach. In these plants, the leaves store extra food in them, and we eat the leaves of these plants because in these plants leaves are the storage of the food. Okay, so these are the main functions of leaves. First one is preparation of food, then produce and give out oxygen, and storage of extra food. And already we know that now about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making food by plants. So once again I repeated photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. See the spelling? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making food by plants. The leaves prepare food. The leaves prepare food by using what are the raw materials? By using water and carbon dioxide. By using water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. And the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, helps to trap sunlight. The chlorophyll sunlight during photosynthesis, and the stomata helps in the exchange of gases. Okay, so photosynthesis means the leaves prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. And there is a question, what are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? So the raw materials required during photosynthesis or the raw materials required for preparing food by plants are water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. And what is the function of stomata? Yes, stomata helps in the exchange of gases. Okay, and which means stomata helps in taking carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Taking carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And these the plants produce and give out oxygen, and this oxygen is used by human beings and animals for breathing. Okay, these are the main functions of leaf. And the next one is part of shoot is shoots are flower, fruits and seeds. Flowers, fruits and seeds. Flowers, fruits and seeds. Is it different types of or different types of flowers and fruits in our surroundings? So flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. And a bud slowly changes to flowers. Okay. And the flowers produce fruits. Flowers produce fruits. And the fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. The flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. And the flowers produce fruit. Which part of the plant produce fruits? Yes, the flowers produce fruits. And the fruits have seeds inside them. The fruits have seeds inside them. The flower is the most important part of a plant because the flowers produce fruits. The flowers produce fruits, and the flowers are the most beautiful parts of a plant. And we see many flowers in different shapes, size and fragrance. Fragrance means good smell. Different smell we see, and we identify flowers with their smell. The flowers are of different size, shape, different size and different fragrances. Okay, so these are the main parts of a shoot. There are flowers, fruits and seeds, and already we learned about the main part of a shoot. There are stem and leaves. And the flowers are the most important part of a plant because it is to produce fruit, and the fruits have seeds inside them. Okay, and the flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. And the flowers are of different colors. And some fruits like mango have only one seed inside them. Some fruits like mango has only one seed inside them. Only one seed inside them. And some fruits like apple, pears, etc. have few seeds inside them. Apple have few seeds inside them. Few seeds inside them. And some fruits like papaya, watermelon has many seeds inside them. Watermelon and papaya have many. Watermelon and papaya have many seeds inside them. Many seeds inside them. Okay. So the flowers are the part producing fruit. Which part of the plant produce fruits? Flowers. Flowers produce fruits. Flowers are the important part of a plant because it produces fruits. Because it produces fruits, and it is the most important part of a plant. And also the fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. And some fruits like mango has only one seed inside them. And the fruits like apples, pears, etc. have few seeds inside them. And the fruits like watermelon, papaya have many seeds inside them. So these are the importance of flowers, fruits and seeds. And here's one another name, germination. Germination. And seeds. We know that flowers produce fruits and fruits have seeds inside them. And a new plant comes out from the seeds. And seeds are baby plants inside them. Seeds are baby plants inside them. And the seeds get sufficient warmth air, water, etc. Then the seeds growing slowly grow and to become a new plant. This process is called, and the seedling is coming from the seeds and the seedling is grows to become a new plant, and this process is called germination. Simply the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. So we study about another term, germination. Spelling Germination. Germination. Simply we can say germination means the process of development of yes, new plant, development of a new plant from seed. So the process of development of a new plant from a seed, is called germination. So germination means the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. I repeat once again, the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Okay, so we studied about photosynthesis and another term, germination. Photosynthesis means the leaves prepare food by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. It's a process of making food by plants. And another term, germination. Germination means development of a new plant from a seed. The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called or seedling is called germination. Okay. So we are going to our next part. We studied about the two main part of a plant, that are shoot and root. The shoot is over and the next part is root. The next part is root. Root is an important part of a plant, or the another main part of plants. Okay. And root has also many functions. We studied about the functions of a stem, leaves, etc. And the root has also many functions, like the roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. The roots help the plants to fix firmly in the soil. The root helps to fix the plant firmly in the soil. To fix the plant in the soil, firmly in the soil. And it has also another function, that is it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Another function is it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. These are the main two functions of a root. That it helps to fix the plant firmly in the soil and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so these are the two main functions of a root. Once again, the functions of root are it helps to fix the plant in the soil. It helps to fix the plant in the soil. And another one is it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. These are the two main functions of a root. It helps to fix the plant in the soil. It helps to fix the plant in the soil. And also it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, these are the main functions of a root. So the next one is types of roots. There are two main types of roots. There are taproot and fibrous root. The roots are divided into mainly two types. fibrous root. First one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. And there is another category, that is aerial root. Okay, the two important types of roots are taproot and fibrous root, and the third category is aerial root. These are the three types of roots. The three types of roots are taproot, fibrous root and aerial root. Taproot, T-A-P, tap, R-O-O-T, root, taproot. And the second one is fibrous root, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous root, R-O-O-T, root. Then aerial root, A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial root. First we study about taproot. Taproot means a main root grows from the base of a stem like this. The base of the stem, a main root comes from the base of the stem, and many small roots comes from the main root. These are called taproot. In taproot means there is a main root. In taproot there is a main root. There's a main root comes from the base of the stem. And many small roots comes from the main root. These are taproots. Okay. So in taproot there is a main root comes from the base of the stem. The main root comes from the base of the stem. And in the main root there are many small roots come out. Okay. So in taproot a main root comes from the base of the stem. And in the main root many small roots comes from the main root. These type of roots are called taproot. Okay. In examples of taproot are the mustard plants of taproot. Mustard means kadugu. Mustard and pears are taproot. Example: mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. And another example is beans. Beans is also an example of taproot plant. Okay. These two plants are taproot. Okay. That means a main root comes from the base of the stem and many small roots comes from the main root. Okay. These types of roots are called taproot. And some plants like carrot, radish, etc. store extra food in their taproot, and we eat the root of such plants. Some plants like carrot, radish store extra food in their taproot. That means the carrot and radish is also taproot. Okay, they are also taproot system. Contains taproot system, and the carrot and radish store extra food in their taproot. Carrot and radish store extra food in their taproot. So we eat the root of such type of plants like carrot and radish. Okay. And the next root is fibrous root. The next type of root is fibrous root. Second one is fibrous root. Fibrous root means there is no main root. In fibrous root there is no main root. Such plants have no main root. There is no main root. But many small roots comes from the base of the stem. Like this. There is no main root and many small roots comes from the base of the plant. Such types of roots are called fibrous root. In taproot there is a main root. In taproot there is a main root and many small roots comes from the main root. Okay. But in fibrous root there is no main root. There is no main root and many small roots that comes from the base of the plant. That comes from the base of the plants. These are examples of these two plants are already given in your textbook, page number 142 and 143. Like this is the plants having taproot. Here is a main root and many small roots comes from the main root. This is a taproot. Then here is an example of fibrous root. In this plant there is no main root. In this plant there is no main root, but many small roots comes from the base of the stem. Okay, so such types of roots are called fibrous root. And in another root is aerial root. The root of a plant that grows above the soil is called aerial root. Aerial root. A-E-R-I-A-L root. Aerial root. The root of a plant that grows above the ground is called aerial root. The root of a plant grow above the soil. The root of a plant, the root that grow above the soil is called aerial root. So aerial root means the root that grow above the soil. The root that grow above the soil is called aerial root. Example, banyan tree. Roots of banyan tree. And mangrove plants, etc. Banyan trees. In your textbook, the picture is shown. Like that, the aerial roots are grown. The aerial roots grow above the soil. The aerial roots, the roots that grow above the soil is called aerial root. The root that grow above the soil is called aerial root. Okay. So these are the three important types of roots, that are taproot, fibrous root and aerial roots. Once again I repeat on. Taproot means there is a main root comes from the base of the stem. And many small roots comes from the main root. And in fibrous root, there is no main root. In fibrous root, there is no main root and many small roots which comes from the base of the stem. And examples of taproots are mustard, beans, etc. And some plants like radish, carrot, etc. store extra food in their taproot. Okay. And the next one is fibrous root. Examples of fibrous roots are grass, wheat, etc. Examples for fibrous root. Fibrous roots in example. Examples for fibrous roots are wheat, grass, etc. Wheat, grass, etc. Okay. And the next one is aerial root. The root which grows above the soil is called aerial root. And examples for plants having aerial roots are banyan tree, mangrove plants, etc. Okay. So these are the important parts of a plant. There are shoot and root. The roots are mainly three types, that are taproot, fibrous root and aerial root. Okay. Now we are going to study about the importance of plants. Okay, the plants are a lot of importance that we study. The plants play an important role in our life. Plants play an important role in our life. It provides greenery around our surroundings. Okay, to provide greenery and make your surroundings beautiful. Okay, let us see what are the importance of a plant. Okay, the first one is plants are the main source of food for humans and animals, or plants are the primary source of food. This is the primary source of food. Plants are the primary primary source of food for animals and human beings. Okay, or plants are the main importance of plants. Importance of plants. The first one is plants are the main source of food or primary source of food. Main source or primary source of food. Plants are the primary or main source of food. Primary source of food. Okay, the first importance of plants are the primary or main source of food for human beings and animals. And the second one is plants give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen. Give us oxygen. Okay. First one is plants are the primary source of food. Plants are the primary source of food, and the second one is give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen, and also the plants remove the harmful carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, that means the plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which means the plants remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, these are the two main functions, and the third one is the plants provide greenery. The plants provide greenery that make our surroundings beautiful. Plants provide us greenery and make our surroundings beautiful. Make our surroundings beautiful. And roots of a plant hold the soil and prevent soil erosion. The roots of a plant, roots holds the soil tightly. Holds the soil tightly and prevent soil erosion. Okay, these are the importance of plants. Plants make our environment or our surroundings beautiful. And the importance of plants are here. First one is plants are the primary source of food. Plants are the primary source or main source of food for human beings and animals. And second one is plants give us oxygen, and also it remove carbon dioxide, and also it remove the harmful carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And the third one is it provide us greenery and make our surroundings beautiful. And the last one is the roots of a plant hold soil tightly and prevent soil erosion. These are the importance of plants. Okay, so in this chapter we learned about different parts of a plant, that are shoot and root, and the main parts of shoot and different types of root and their functions. Okay, in your textbook, page number 144 and 145, there are some questions based on this chapter. Let us see. Take your textbook, page number 144. Page number 144. Okay, here is the question. First part is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. I read the question. You should answer the questions. Okay. And the first question is A part. Tick the correct answer. The first question: the part of the plant which is above the soil. The part of the plant which is above the soil is called shoot. Above the soil is called shoot. And the second question, plants make food using energy from the sun, because plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight is the energy used for plants for making food. So plants make food using the energy from the sun. Okay, energy from the sun. And the third question, the lower part of the leaf of many tiny pores called, the tiny pores or openings present on the leaves are called, yes, stomata. The tiny pores present on the leaves are called stomata. Take the correct answer. Okay. And fourth, Question number 4. Which of the following modified stem do we eat? Yes, sugarcane, potato, and C, both of them. Yes, we also eat the both of the stem, sugarcane and potato, as we eat the stem of the plant as our food. Okay, so the answer is both of them. In third question, the answer is in fourth question, the answer is both the A and B. Okay, or both of them. Fourth question, answer is both of them. And the next question, new plants grow from which of the following? The new plants grow from seeds. New plants grow from seeds, and this process is called germination. Okay. And the fifth question, new plants grow from which of the following? And the options are fins, seeds, and stomata. In which part? Yes, seeds. The seeds are grows to become a new plant. So the answer is seeds. Okay. And the next part, or the B part is fill in the blanks. B part is fill in the blanks. And the first question is, here is some clues given in a box. You choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Plants are the dash source of food for us. Plants are the which source? Yes, primary source. So the answer is primary source. And in second question, plants produce food through a process. The process of preparing food by leaves of a plant are called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. And in third question, fruits grow from the dash of a plant. Which part of the plant modified as fruit? Yes, flower produce fruits, because so we can say that flowers are an important part of a plant because they produce fruit. So the answer is the third question, fruits grows from the dash of a plant. The fruits grows from a flower of a plant. So the answer is flower. And the fourth question, plants give us dash. Plants give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen because the plants give out oxygen at the end of photosynthesis, and we use that oxygen for breathing. So plants give us oxygen. Okay, plants give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen. These are the answers for fill up questions. And the C part is true or false. C part is true or false. The first question, I read the question, you should answer the following are true or false. The food factories of a, true or false, what are the following is called? Okay, C part is what are the following called? First question, the food factories of a plant. Which part of the plant is called a food factory? Yes, leaves. And second one, thick and strong stem of a tree is called a trunk. And third question, the tiny holes present on the leaves for exchange of gas. The tiny pores or openings present on the leaves are called stomata. And fourth question, a green substance found in the leaves is needed for photosynthesis because the green substance which give green color to the leaves are called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. And the fifth question, a gas given out at the end of photosynthesis. Which gas given out at the end of photosynthesis? Oxygen. The plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay. So the answer is oxygen. And the last question, the main part of a shoot. Which is the main part of a shoot? Stem. Stem is the main part of a shoot. So the answer, sixth question is stem. Stem is the main part of a shoot. These are the answers of the given questions. Okay. And the remaining questions and the answers are sent to your WhatsApp. And you should read your textbook carefully and study well. Okay. We'll meet another topic with another next class. Okay, see you. Bye.